Whatever works for you. Let me zoom in on her.
Okay. Ready?
Yeah. She's down.
Yep.
She is down. Okay.
She never moved.
Yeah.
I shot her right in the chest, right
Okay.
in the neck.
All right. Here we are, opening morning, deer season
Ooh,
in
look at that bug behind her.
Arkansas.
Do you see him?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4. Video him.
I got him.
He's looking at her.
I got him.
Isn't that something? He's a big. Look at that tail.
Yeah. Just shot that doe right there. He's trying to figure out what happened.
He's an older buck, ain't he?
Yeah. Nice deer.
Yeah, he is.
He's little. He's a little confused. He's saying, "What happened to my girlfriend?" He's saying, "Honey, what are you doing?" One heck of a deer.